Let's talk the future of Etsy dropshipping, right? Today is a big day. Q1 results for Etsy. They're going to be showing their earnings today. It's about 10 p.m. GMT time, 5 p.m. ET. So it's an exciting day. So whilst that's happening, I wanted to do this video to talk about the future of Etsy dropshipping. So you've got to realize Etsy is a business. They have shareholders, they have a board, they want to make money. Okay, so if these earnings are drastically under what they've anticipated, they're not now going to come in and go, let's kill off the dropshipping niche, right? They're not going to go, okay, yeah, we're losing money as it is, let's go off and lose more, right? So they're still going to follow their procedures of getting rid of crap stores, right? And in this video, that's what I want to discuss about how not to be a crap store. But you've also got to look at it from the other perspective. If Etsy are making money hand over fist with their current setup, they're not going to then go in and go, let's get rid of that industry. Let's get rid of dropshipping completely, right? They just want to make sure customers have a good experience, right? And that's the part we're going to discuss. So when I say customers having a good experience, right, it comes down to these things. Are you selling good products that people actually want, right? Your product isn't going to turn up from a Chinese warehouse, smashed to pieces, super poor quality, and it breaks after a couple of days. You need to be selling good quality products that you vetted, right? You can order them to your house, speak to some suppliers and go, what the quality like of this? Can I see some better examples, right? Yada, yada, yada. If you don't have the money to buy them, that is. Then, are you looking after your customers when they buy? Are you keeping them in the loop, right? Are you being responsive? Is your customer service on point? Are they, if there's any issues that arise, are you solving them? Are they having any issues? What are you doing to rectify them? Are you, are you giving out apologies? I'm really sorry, your order was a couple of days late. Here's 30% off if you want to purchase again. Here's $10 off, So keep them in the loop, sell good quality products, and make sure you get reviews, right? If you're doing well, you need to be speaking to your customers, getting them back in and going, hey, really appreciate you purchasing from us. I'm trying to do this full time. I'm just, I do it at the end of the day. I work 2 jobs. I've got 12 and a half kids, that kind of bollocks. Right, so that's what you want to be doing, and just doing everything you can to use your customers to grow your stores whilst providing a good experience. And if you do that, Etsy is not going to see a problem with you, right? Other than if you're getting IP infringed, policy violations, all that nonsense, okay? They're going to be the reasons why you get banned, not dropshipping. So let's jump onto the computer, and we're going to look at some dropshipping stores that are doing it right. And we're going to talk about how they're doing it right and how you can do it. So, join me over there. Here we have it. Here is a jewelry store that is doing very well. 1.7k sales, but look at it. You can clearly tell they're dropshipping if you have the dropship, mindset. So how are they doing it, right? Okay, 5-star reviews. Let's just have a little look down here. Very happy customers. Oh, okay. Poor review there. Right. But they are on here for a while. They are built up. Look at this. Okay, so they've been going for, at least over a year, right? So, how are they doing it? They are doing exactly what I mentioned, okay? And if you don't believe me that they're drop shipping, here's one of their products, right? There it is. So, this is what you want your store to look like, right? Nice, clean photos, good pricing, incentives, UK delivery, happy customers. What I would do if I ran this shop is I'd work on this branding a bit, add a bit of a more personal touch, get a banner going and create a bit of a better announcement. You also want to be going for star seller. That really fills the package, right? That does it all. So stores like this are really not hard to do. Okay, 87 listings. But look, there's a lot of duplicate listings. Okay, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 listings off the bat that are all the same. Okay, so it is not hard to build up a store like this. This is what you can be doing. You can set up a store like this in a month. Let it run, let it build. and have fun with it. Okay, so if you're worried that the future of Etsy dropshipping is very dark and bleak, please don't be. They're not going to shut down this multi-million-pound industry on Etsy overnight. You know, and whilst the bag is there, join us. Okay, start Etsy dropshipping. Join our Discord. I believe we're the largest Etsy-oriented Discord there is. And learn from us, right? Learn from the community, and we'll be happy to teach you. So it's just discord.gg/Etsy, and I will see you there, folks.